What's up guys, today's video is on the best spot welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Stark USA Spot Welder. Stark Professional is an air-cooled portable spot welder that produces quick and strong spot welds of diverse materials, like cast iron and steel. One of the major benefits of this spot welding device is its simplicity of use. If you are a novice, you'll appreciate the easy welding mechanism that will allow you to quickly introduce the material and then weld it. The ease of use is enhanced by a minimalist appearance. The compact shape of the body with a built-in handle can assist you in transporting it around in the work area. However, at 28.4 pounds, it's not the lightest model, and you may often get tired of transporting it around. Stark Professional Welder utilizes a single-phase design, so you can go to use 120 V or even 240 volts. While this spot welding machine is designed for enthusiasts and hobbyists, professional welders will also appreciate it. If you're a novice, you may be unable to set up the machine and begin welding. The instruction manual will not help, since the instructions are a bit hazy, but once you've gotten the knack of it, you'll enjoy the welding. Number 2. Mophorn Welding Machine. If you're in search of an affordable spot welder battery capable of welding thin steel strips coated with nickel, Mophorn 737G, also advertised as Sunco, is the ideal option. It could be the most efficient spot welder for batteries on an extremely tight budget and comes with an option to pulse as well as a foot pedal control. Mophorn the 737G model is an 110V device. That means you can connect it to any outlet in your home. However, the low input means that you'll get inadequate output for materials 0.05–0.2 mm thick. Additionally, welding nickel strips that are thicker is not recommended, as they'll not be able to hold the material properly. However, the value and user-friendliness you will get for your money are exceptional. This spot welding machine has an exclusive LCD display that accurately displays the amount of welding pulses and the welding current. It is possible to utilize either the push-up welding option as well as a pedal for your foot according to the purpose. For instance, when you are making a small battery pack, it is possible to utilize the push-up option using an adjustable welding tip. Furthermore, fixed welding tips. They have LED lights that allow for precision fixed welding. You can, however, employ a foot pedal welding nickel-based strips. Number 3. Mini Spot Welder Machine. Spot welders for battery spot welding don't need to be huge machines. On the contrary, you can place your Kerpu Mini Spot Welder into your bag and carry it everywhere. It is a 1.72-pound spot welding machine that has a maximum power output of 650 A. It is used for spot welding 18,650 and similar round lithium batteries, nickel metal hydride batteries, and nickel cadmium nickel batteries. You don't require an external source of power for the spot weld, so you can utilize it even when there aren't outlets in the vicinity. This is thanks to the 7500 mAh battery that is rechargeable using a USB Type-C device that you can even find in the package. But remember that the battery's capacity can impact the ability to weld, so make sure that the welder is fully charged before deciding on the highest output. One of the aspects which is frequently discussed is user-friendliness. For instance, the Kerpu portable spot welder comes with 3 light indicators that display the level of the battery, the output power, and the mode, manual or auto, so its simple design is extremely user-friendly. Number 4. US Solid Battery Spot Welder. US Solid is a spot welding machine with 2 capacitors that provide a stable source of power to pulse spot weld, so the quality of welding and the consistency of the weld are not affected by AC electrical current and breaking. With the highest power, 12 kilowatts, it is possible to make use of it for welding to a thickness of 0.4 mm nickel-coated steel and 0.35 mm of pure nickel. In comparison against the Mophorn spot welder, it is the US Solid machine that runs on 110–220 volts. Additionally, it's quite light, so it can be carried around effortlessly. Another benefit is the 73B portable welding pen that comes with a reusable weld electrode and pulse indicator, along with pressure balance settings. It is important to note that the Mophorn spot welder we discussed cannot be used with this pen. You can always go with the 73's welding arm, which uses a more traditional approach to battery welding. The layout is simple. The capacitor voltage and welding current are shown in the LCD screen. To begin welding, set the welding power to 0 to 99 and the pulse delay to 20 to 50 milliseconds, or select the manual or automated mode. Number 5. Lenco Autobody Dual Spot Welder. The first two welding machines in our list are targeted at light-duty jobs and are designed to work with thinner materials. The Lenco spot welding machine is the top quality machine. It is an autobody spot welder ideal for small businesses or small auto restoration businesses at home. Why? Because it's significantly more expensive than the other spot welding equipment on our list. Your investment could be repaid. Lenco Spot Welder is distinguished by its sturdy and durable construction, so it looks like it's designed to last. Although it weighs 110 pounds, its wheeled cart built into the machine can help you move it around your workshop in a hurry. With an extended length of 50 power cable, it won't require you to move it around as much. When it arrives, it is necessary to connect it, which is basically putting in 4 screws to hold the handle and 2 nuts and bolts for the cables. Although there's nothing difficult regarding using this spot welding device, however, it may take some time to adjust to the settings when you're a novice. However, experienced welders have been able to find it to be quite efficient. It is able to weld autobody steel between 20 and 14 Gothic, or to weld stainless steel or steel sheets. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.